Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Celery and Redis for distributed tasks, full guide step by step clearly. First, ensure that you have Python installed on your system. Open your terminal or command prompt. Check if Python is installed by typing Python version. If Python is not installed, download and install it from the official Python website. Next, we need to install Redis. Visit the Redis website for installation instructions specific to your operating system. On Windows, you can use the Chocolatey Package Manager. Open your terminal and run the command choco install redis 64. For macOS, use Homebrew by running brew install redis. Linux users can install Redis using the package manager for their distribution, such as sudo apt-get install redis server for Ubuntu. Once Redis is installed, start the Redis server. You can do this by typing Redis server in your terminal. Leave this terminal open to keep Redis running. Now, let's install Celery. In a new terminal window, create a virtual environment to keep your project dependencies isolated. Run the command python mven to create the virtual environment. Activate the virtual environment with sourceven/bin/activate on macOS and Linux, or venv/scripts/activate on Windows. Now, install Celery using pip with the command pip install Celery. Next, you need to install the Redis library for Python. Run the command pip install Redis in your terminal. With Celery and Redis installed, let's create a new Python file for our tasks. Create a file called tasks.py in your project directory. Now, open tasks.py in a text editor or IDE. Import Celery with the line from Celery import Celery. Create a new Celery instance by adding app equals Celery, tasks, broker equals Redis, / localhost 6379/0. Define a simple task by using the @app task decorator. For example, add the following function, @app task def add, x, y return x plus y. Save and close tasks.py. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.